Imagine turning any backyard, beach trip, or house party into a mini concert with just one speaker. But is the JBL PartyBox 110 really worth its price? Let's find out. The JBL PartyBox 110 packs 160 watts of JBL Original Pro Sound, giving you loud audio with deep, adjustable bass that's built to fill big spaces. It doesn't just sound powerful, it looks the part too, thanks to its dynamic LED light show that automatically syncs with your music. Planning an all-day party? No problem. It delivers up to 12 hours of battery life, recharges in around 3.5 hours, and even has an IPX4 splashproof rating, so a little rain or pool splash won't stop the fun. Want karaoke? Plug in a microphone and guitar directly into the speaker. You can also stream through Bluetooth 5.1, play music from a USB drive, or connect using an aux cable. And if one speaker isn't enough, you can pair two PartyBox 110s together for an even bigger stereo sound. So, is the JBL PartyBox 110 worth it? If you want a speaker that's loud, portable, packed with party features, and built for both indoor and outdoor events, it definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Just make sure you buy from an authorized JBL seller to avoid fake units. Would you bring this to your next party?